Setting up the stream, 1 second. 1 second. Hello, random bird. What is up? Today I would like to continue work on the USB test PCB. That is my goal. Also, I have managed to make a full bridge rectifier in almost 1 minute. And I made some mistakes along the way, so I could definitely do it faster. But yes, I think that is my best measured time. Was there another mass spam on the Discord server today? Yes, there was. I didn't even notice it because the moderators are so amazingly good at what they're doing that I didn't even notice. All right. While I was falling asleep 2 days ago, I remembered TVS protection. The diode we had for TVS is out of stock, and I think we need a choke. And I gave the idea of not using a terminal block, instead just using soldering pads, a deeper think. So yeah, I think solder pads are better. Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome. I hope today I can start playing with the PCB. Alright, so we need to replace this because this is out of stock. Maybe they restocked it, like, who knows. No, it's still out of stock. Who would have thought? I was thinking about replacing the entire TVS IC here. Because it's just inconvenient to have a separate diode, I think. But it's also not such a big deal, I think. Also, somehow I managed to protect only a single V-bus here, so that's a really stupid mistake on my side. I just noticed that. It's stupid. Let's try to mirror the other side just to make it a little bit neater. Finish. I'm not sure this is supposed to go like that, but let's just leave it. Also, if anyone thinks you can do that they can do a full speed rectifier faster than me, I invite you to join our Discord and, you know, record yourself doing it, take part in the speedrun competition, which I have still not announced yet, but I'm pretty sure it's a cool idea. Basically, you have to make something like this as fast as possible. Yes. I got inspired to do this from Michael Reeves' live streams, where he was speedrunning making targets for his gun camera system. Who will be the judges? I mean, it's a speedrun, so like the clock is the judge, right? I don't think we need any judges. If something is recorded, and assuming you don't cheat, then you can just measure the time with the recording, right? I don't know how to check if someone cheats. That's difficult. There's probably no way to check that. Good point, yeah. Although I believe our community is very, very fair. I think people would play fair play. Although there's always the chance someone cheats, you know. But isn't it the case with like all speedruns? It's always possible to cheat, right? Yo, Mr. Terran Earthling. I think this is a good diode. This is its voltage to current graph. Makes sense. If the voltage exceeds something around 5.5 volts, it trips and starts conducting in either direction, reverse or forward. That's how I understand it. Suitable for a 5-volt signal line, and we're just using it for the USB power line here, so it should be fine. Smartphones, yeah. Yeah, let's see the current rating, because sometimes DigiKey just lies to you. I believe this was 4 amps. I don't know if 4 amps is enough, honestly. Because from what I remember, I forgot the entire like power draw. I think, what stage of development are you? I'm at the I don't fucking know what I'm doing stage of development right now. Anyways, the total power draw, like peak, I think it can go up to 10 amps, right? So that's a lot of damage. I think this is not a good diode. That's the spirit. I see what you did there, like a pun. A pun. You guys know, there's the funny thing, I have like mandatory English classes at my university. For some reason, like I don't know how to speak English clearly. I don't know how to speak English, so I have to have mandatory English classes. And we just discuss some weird niche random fucking sayings, you know, because it's the C2 level, so like there's no higher level than that in English. Yes, yes, people asking the same questions is very interesting. I love that. Was that peak, like, is the 4 amps related to peak or what? Okay, I'm really stupid, guys. Look, I'm stupid, okay? Because the current doesn't normally flow through the diode, okay? It only flows through the diode when there's a overvoltage type situation. So I clearly didn't like think, but yeah, now I understand. So like everything's fine. 4 amps is probably very good. Yes. New TVS. Thank you. I don't think I'm gonna bother with the model. Maybe it's the same package. Package SOD923. And this was SOD962. Oh. No, not this one. Wait. Can I? Does it make sense to filter by package, or am I gonna narrow it down too much? The point here isn't to save 2 seconds of time importing the EDA shit. Yes. Wait a minute. Oh, what is marketplace? I'm always suspicious about DigiKey's marketplace. I don't know what that is, but anyway, anytime I see a marketplace product, it has some very interesting information here. Will ship in 10 fucking years from somewhere you don't even never heard about, and charge you $1 billion for that. And it's bulk. Yeah, I think it's a really good diode. It's very, very good, expensive diode. Anyway, I came here for the package. Can I have package, please? Oh my god, package. Super small SMD package. Okay, thank you. DSN. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do it the normal way, which is just import it. Says in footprint name in kicad. But it said something different in the data sheet there. SOD 962. Okay. SOD 96, no, 962 doesn't exist. Very nice. 9, yeah, it doesn't exist. That's incredible. I love it. We love DigiKey. I probably they just fucked up, you know. Should we try? Yeah, LCSC. I'm trying to transition to LCSC, okay? TVS. Okay. Package. Oh, there's so much stuff here. What was it? SOD 962. 962. Haha, it's here. Would you look at that? 9622. Okay. So this one. Apply all. There's only one. And it's the same one we already have, gentlemen. BSD. No, it's the 7-volt version or something. Yeah, so we just need to use a new one, I think. And you have to buy 5, which is slightly more expensive than this one, for example. So unfortunately, wait a minute. What if the... Okay, listen for a second. Please listen for a second. What if the charger negotiates a higher voltage than 5 volts, and then our diode trips at 5 volts, and then there's a problem because we are shorting the charger to ground? Did you consider that, gentlemen? Did you consider the ground problem shortage situation? I just thought of it right now. So the maximum voltage on the VBus line should be 20 volts or something, am I right? Chat, wake up. Wake the fuck up. BQ, I think, can max negotiate 14 volts. I think I remember that's what I can max tolerate. Okay. Because let's see the original design. If we have enough RAM. Random access memory, I love it. Open project. Spirit devising. The design is very human. Here. Let's see the power schematic. USB-C power goes only to BQ, and here we can... I think I have it downloaded. BQ 2. Yeah, we got it. Got it, gentlemen. Up to 22 volts. The pin is called VBus. Let's see electrical characteristics. Where the VBus at? Yeah. Texas Instruments 404. Jan. You need to have a good attitude, because without a good attitude, this project is impossible. V system. No, we're not looking at V system. We're looking at VBus.
Underneath the broken sky.
Oh my god.
In my eye, I hold you close.
Oh, the under voltage lockout is 3.2 volts. That's good to know, right? Can I get a 20 words or less explanation to bring me up to speed on what we're working on? Yes, 20 words or less.
Here in your arms, I don't mind at all.
The stars are dim, but
We are making
shines bright.
You're my beacon.
a test PCB for the USB system.
Sway in the wasteland, my love, to the rhythm of the bombs of
That's it, 10 words. It's even fucking better. Efficient communication. Engineers need to communicate efficiently, because if it's not efficient, then time is money, you know, and it's important. All right. Hello, over voltage protection. What is this?
through the roof.
Operating range. Here we go. 24 volts. So we need a 25 or so volts diode, gentlemen. Right, so that was a blessing in disguise. Like, we dodged a bullet. We dodged like a head-to-head collision with a train, because if I would plug that in, that would just short out to ground.
So empty,
And we'd have the magic smoke effect, you know?
but with you, my dear,
Yours is only 14, but what? The USB or what? What we talking about? I need to take more English classes, gentlemen. You know, I'm forced to do like 90 hours of English before I finish my degree, I think. That's fucking crazy. That is nuts.
bombs above. The ground may
I cannot speak English.
You're my shelter when the cold winds blow. So let's waltz through the
Type 1 in the chat if you don't know how to speak English.
the shadows of a twisted tree. The world may be lost, but our hearts still beat. In this wasteland waltz, our love's complete.
There's so many things here. Like, oh, hello, Victoria. Met some Polish guys at Kansas, and one of them apparently knew who you were YouTube-wise. That's crazy. Like, that's crazy.
You're my star, my darling.
I'm the open source circus. I am the supply chain of Spirit smartphones. No, just kidding. I'm not the only part of the supply chain.
Dreams will make it through.
Maybe we should just be a little bit smarter. USB-C free TVS diode.
In a world so wild,
My English seems fine, thank you very much. Antisocial machinist.
we smile.
Machinist. Huh. You like machines, huh? Who doesn't like machines?
You're my one true
What the fuck is this?
elliptic light.
This is like a double-edged sword, you know?
But I'll sing.
Okay,
The cracked stars will build something new.
Darling, hold me close.
Let's forget the fear. Even in this wasteland, with you I'm near.
this is called breakdown because it's a Zener Zener diode thingy, right? I think this is a safe range to search for. When CNC Mill Part 2? Brother! 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 Can you invent USB-D?
With your hand in mine, I can take the pain.
I honestly think we should go back to USB micro. Like, it had 4 lanes, it was easy, there was none of that fucking bullshit that's happening over here. Like 20 million fucking connectors for super speed to look at to implement display port and fucking audio over USB and charge your phone at 400 watts. Like, what the fuck? Can we go back to the good old days when we had micro USB, gentlemen?
Underneath the glow of that old neon sign, with you by
Like, to implement this, you need 2500 multiplexers.
in this broken world, you're my eternity.
I got sidetracked. Didn't know we had the 600 volts in Zener diodes, but okay. Or just diodes.
The bombs went,
Okay, whatever. Let's try searching with this.
but I found my love in the light of day. With a
STM microelectronics.
sway, we'll swing our blues and dance away. Oh, right away, take my blues away. We'll spin and twirl till the break of day. Through fallout dust we'll laugh and play. Oh, right away, take my blues away.
We have a bot on Twitch. That's amazing.
Till the break of day.
I'll read chat in a moment. I need to focus because I forgot what these two mean.
Right away, take my blues.
Reverse standoff. I mean, we'll see it from the chart, I think.
And I'm his gal. Together we're the talk of the wasteland pal.
Oh, that's 2 diodes. 2 in 1.
My Pip-Boy glow. We're on
STM try not to create random components. Like, they cannot do it.
let's go. Oh, right.
This diode is for entertainment. Yeah, I know. I just didn't read this. You know what? I'm gonna make a meme really quick here. Really quick meme. Check this out. Check this out.
So grab your suit, let's fix the night. We'll turn the wasteland into delight. We'll spin a sway, save the day. Oh,
Yes. That's funny, huh? Please enjoy your diode in moderation. don't give it to your kids because small elements risk of choking. I will send this to Discord really quick. Sorry for the inconvenience. I invite you to the Discord server. It is a very welcoming place and community.
Diamond City's the place to be, a shining for you and me.
1, 2, 3, 4. The meme has been sent, and now I come back to do my job.
Grab your cap and swing on by where hope still shines beneath the sky. Traders shouting, kids at play.
Welcome.
Every day from
STM has the worst website for navigating their products. I just want a single menu with all SD boards.
the light still shines.
Yes, that makes sense. I don't know, I never saw it.
We found our way.
What is this?
City's here to stay.
Bruh. Do not populate this, thank you very much. And this? Ew.
And swing on by where
Love these little Easter eggs you find out. Okay, let's see the plot.
shouting, kids at play. Every day.
Okay, here we can... This is a good learning opportunity, gentlemen. We can all suck in this knowledge here. Let's suck it.
Beacon of hope in this old ghost town.
Breakdown voltage is the knee. It's where the characteristic is like tipping, right? I think it's a quantum effect or something called avalanche breakdown or something. Not sure if it's quantum effect, but
Swing on
there is something like that.
shines beneath the
Clamping voltage is when it starts to conduct very much amps, very many amperes, a lot of amperes. As you can see here, in the reverse direction, of course. Oh, hello, Flux Bench. Gentlemen, we have a very distinguished, high-quality YouTuber in the chat. Avalanche breakdown, exactly. Thank you for the confirmation. Alright, so we want the BR voltage to be around 24.
When the flares go up and the people call, the Minutemen stand for one and all.
Breakdown.
Through the wasteland wide, we'll lead the way.
Oh, I just have to deduce it from the fucking code here. ESDA. Okay, the breakdown voltage is XXX, so...
We'll see it through.
Okay, 25. Good. I will yank this from you, thank you. And save this as
Leader fights
new TVS diode.
all our might
Great.
with the muskets
Let's close all of these.
of gold. The Minutemen
Uh-huh. What are you looking for exactly? I was looking for a TVS diode. So I found a quite cheap 2-in-1 package. I don't think that's really necessary. I'm wondering if I can use it for something else here?
and raider fights. We'll bring back peace with all our might. With the musket
I don't know, should the USB A and USB B connected together? Should they be connected together like that? I don't know.
and shout hooray.
VBOS USB-C.
Here to stay. We'll stand as one,
I will catch up with the chat messages, trust me.
building
Trust me.
along the way. Minutemen, Minutemen, brave and true. Minutemen, Minutemen, we'll see it through.
Okay,
Minutemen standing tall.
A4, A9.
save them all.
these two.
Hooray,
So whenever you switch the plug, I mean you flip the polarity,
we'll march through the land again.
you connect the other thing. So I think it's fine to have them shorted. Can we have a confirm in chat? Press 1 in chat if you think that we should short them, like we are doing it right now.
Oh, Mr. Handy.
I have an idea. USB-C PCB layout.
Floors make dinner too. There's nothing that Mr. Handy can't do. Oh, Mr. Handy, beep and bop, fixing the world with a whir and a hop through the wasteland day and night. Mr. Handy makes.
Here's the one V-bus and here's the other V-bus. They are shorted.
He's seen the bombs and the world's
They're the same and can be connected together. Nice. Just make sure that the CCN1 and CC2 are not shorted together. Yes, they should not be shorted together.
Handy, beep and bop, fixing the world with a whir and a hop through the wasteland day and night.
Yeah, they're separate.
Mr. Handy makes it right.
Right, they are shorted, but
Saw in hand
what about
every night, but when it's
B9? And this is A. Okay, this is the A row and this is the B row, and B is shorted to A, which is fine. They're all shorted, I think. Yes, yeah, it's the same net. I'm stupid. Type C V bus, type C V bus. Good. Thank you. Credit to e2eti.com. Thank you. Our design is very good.
oh, Mr. Handy, you're the best in this wasteland. You outshine.
I feel stupid though that I have an extra TVS here. Maybe we can use it for something else, like maybe an add-on power output, whatever thing, something, input, what?
Broken,
No ideas. What can we use it for?
skies are torn, but in your arms, I'm reborn.
Maybe for the CC pins?
And endless
What is this Christmas music playlist? Gentlemen, this isn't Christmas music, but like it's okay. Wait a second. It's called Followed Music, no copyright, 12 songs with lyrics, 50s style something. You can take a screenshot if you want. I'm gonna count to 1, 2. Okay, time to import.
ashes will find our way together forever.
Okay, I think it's a good opportunity to speedrun this.
The rads may rise, the storms may roar, but you're the one that I adore.
Okay, gentlemen,
Vault or shelter,
I'm also not a fan of AI music because I'm kind of a musician sometimes myself, but this is actually fun and people enjoy it, so I guess that's what matters. 3, 2, 1,
Your love's the
go.
that lets me sleep through fire and fear. We'll
Shit.
our love's
Here we go.
the dawn.
Spirit. EDA. Oh, I should add it to the other library.
finding hope.
USB test, USB libraries. Boom. Unzip. 1, 2, 3. Unzipped. Remove this.
We'll find our way
Footprints. symbol. We need to rename the symbol. Okay, I need to kill screen. Oh my god, I cannot see what. Okay, I'm not gonna beat my time. I'm sorry. Too late. Because this obscured my vision. Here's my renaming. And oh dear. My mem. 1 second. Now I can continue like a normal person.
Clickety-clack, scurry and run. It's a rad roach party, better grab your gun. Crawling from the shadows, skittering fast. Those pesky little rad roaches are here at last. With their twitchy legs and their buggy eyes, you'll hear their hiss as they multiply.
Footprints. Okay, I'm not gonna rename the packages.
Rad roach, do your thing. Rad roach, scurry and hide.
Where's the 3D model?
Turn the tide. They love your snacks, they love your stew, and they're not afraid to crawl on you. But grab a bat or maybe a shoe. It's time to smash a rad roach.
Anyways,
They crawl, their hearts
symbol goes to spirit symbols and footprint
and a swing will make them run, kicking rad
goes to spirit footprints.
rad roach, stomp and swing. Rad roach, do
I lost the 3D model though.
rad roach, scurry and hide. Red roach will turn the tide. So keep your vault.
Be careful of that schematic because that might be a forum post where someone's asking for help and not post wrong schematics all the time because they need help. Okay, that's a good catch. That's a good catch. That's a good catch. I'm pretty sure it was from Texas Instruments, but maybe it was from...
But grab a bat or maybe a shoe. It's time to smash a rad roach or two. Idle, they creep, they crawl, they're hard to catch. But one good whack and they'll meet their match. With a stomp and a swing, we'll make them run. Kicking rad roaches is so much fun.
Disable your ad blocker? Come on, man, come on.
Keep your vault clean, don't let them stay. Rad roaches love to ruin your day.
How many things can go wrong when... Yeah, how many things can go wrong when you're trying to add a diode to your project? I'm gonna explode. I will explode. These things should be illegal. That's a huge time waste.
Hear the sound, ching-a-ling, those cats are bound, fizz and sweet delight, Nuka-Cola, your dynamite. When
Okay, this is just some guy
take a Nuka-Cola, you'll
explaining how to do it.
It's the blast of flavor you can't ignore. Just one sip, you'll want some more. Oh, Nuka-Cola, it's the drink that'll roll ya. Fizz and pop, it's a taste that'll console ya. Oh, Nuka-Cola, sweet as cherry pie. One sip and you'll be flying high.
Also, why did they ask me to disable my ad blocker if there's no ads? Like, what the fuck?
Heat runs low, hot cat
What is this?
prime. Nuka-Cola simply sublime.
What is this? Give me the ads!
Nuka-Cola's got that magic
Where's the ads?
sound. Feel the spark. Nuka-Cola.
Useless. Cookie stuff, probably. Yeah, maybe. Unpause.
It's a taste of the past in a brand new day.
Okay.
With every sip, the memories stay.
Oh, Nuka-Cola, the drink that'll roll.
Back on track. Maybe your ad blocks blocked fingerprinting cookies. Possible. It's very possible.
One sip and you'll be flying high.
Symbol editor. But I still lost the 3D model. I kind of want it.
With Nuka-Cola, every
I can delete this.
We'll lift our cheers.
It probably downloaded as a separate file. Order by natural TVS SOT.
It's the drink that'll roll ya. Fizz and pop, it's a taste that'll console ya. Oh, Nuka-Cola, sweet as cherry pie. One sip and you'll be flying high.
ESDA 25L. ESDA. It doesn't seem to be here.
With Nuka-Cola, everything.
It's so annoying.
Through the fallout, we'll lift our
At some point, I think I want to start ignoring, like, the 3D models because it's so annoying. Like, for small parts like this, do we really need them? I think it's a waste of time, gentlemen. I'm gonna ignore that. I can always add it later if I so choose. So I just need to open the symbol editor,
In the shadows glow.
import symbol,
Hear the growl, feel the fear below. One wrong move,
USB,
my friend, it's the death claw tango.
libs, symbol, this please.
Wasteland, the night is dark. You hear a roar and you freeze, no spark. Its claws are sharp, its teeth aglow. It's the king of terror that you should know. Oh, the death claw tango, don't miss a step. One wrong move, you'll pay the debt. Dance to the left, then spin to the right. It's a deadly waltz in the pale moonlight.
By the way, I didn't even notice that this was AI.
It's
Usually I'm pretty decent at noticing this, but
your
this time I just didn't notice.
What will you do with a rifle in hand? You take your chance, but the death claw's leading this deadly dance. Quick step,
Now I'm gonna regret not naming the footprint.
one wrong move, and you'll go.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
But if you're brave and you time it well,
What's the package?
might just live
SOT to free.
to tell.
SOT
Oh, the death claw tango,
to
don't
free.
miss a step.
Free.
One wrong move, you'll pay the debt.
Can I use this?
Then spin to the right. It's
I
a
guess.
waltz in the pale.
By the way, I sent your CNC video to the Makera CNC marketing team. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you, but I think they will have to see a doctor after watching this. Yeah, I hope they reach out to me as well. Like,
Tango is never
maybe they send me a CNC mill. Who knows?
got a plan. Say
Thank you, that's really nice of you.
da 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 tango.
Yeah. I could use less running on my spindle. You mean run out, right? Yeah, less run out. Exactly. Exactly. Okay.
Out of
Nice. We got it. Let's go here. Let's. Oh, I forgot to rename it. ESD. This one. Nice symbol. At least 3 times larger than needed, but okay.
Vault 101 was my home,
reverse. The connection is.
but the door opened wide. I'm free.
Also, my English classes have homework. So it's not like I'm spending just 90 hours to go, right? I have 90 hours plus homework, which I don't even do, so
I'm the wonder.
that's university for you. You want to learn about electronics? No, you're gonna learn about English and idioms and collocations and grammar and a little mechanics. Cheers.
Every path I roam, I'm searching for a place to.
Gotta love university.
The people I meet, their
Okay,
stories unfold.
problem solved.
Courage and loss of hearts so bold. In the wreckage,
Now, the common mode joke, which I wanted to add,
still lingers.
should probably be connected to the TX RX pins. And I remember we had an integrated circuit with TVS and chokes in one. Does anyone remember that?
The people I meet
Was it this, perhaps?
unfold. Of courage and loss of hearts so bold.
I think it was this one, yeah?
Wreckage of
This one, yeah. I have such a good memory.
hope still lingers. It carries me on.
Let's refresh my memory on this.
Glow to the
It's basically the same thing we have here with the Zener diodes, but it also has
the voice of
transformers, essentially,
calls.
that remove the common mode noise. That's how I understand it, at least. I think I can even explain them a little bit.
The voice
The situation is as follows. If you have two coils, now if I say something wrong, you can correct me.
are so.
But listen up, gentlemen.
Find my way.
Let's say I have. I'm drawing in the color white. That's incredible. I have one coil and another coil. Depending on the direction I'm sending in the current and the winding direction, the magnetic field that happens here can either be the magnetic fields can either cancel each other out or add to each other. A little bit like interference, if you know what I mean. So whenever there's current flowing in opposite directions, in signals that have like signals like D plus D minus in USB. I forgot what's the name of this. Differential signaling, yes, of course. Where one signal is like that and the other is like that. I hope I'm not saying anything wrong here, but the goal here is to somehow take the noise out of the signal, which is common for both lines here because they experience the same environment and they should cancel out by the magnetic field dynamic mechanism. I hope I explained it well enough. What screenshot drawing app are you using? I'm using FlameShot. Right. I hope I explained it correctly. Anyways, the goal is to remove the common mode noise. So applications USB free, that's very good. We're just using that. Maybe we can find a example application. No, it's too easy. They will not give me an example because it's just too easy. They don't want to insult our intelligence.
Dance away your blues, shake it up, swing it out. There's no time to lose. Boogie in the wasteland, feel that crazy beat. Stomp your boots and clap your hands, make it sweet.
Okay, we have 3 channels here.
So grab your caps and don't think.
Oh, there's different versions. There's 2, 3, 1 channel.
Let's go. Turn up the heat in the wasteland. Blow.
Got it.
Turn up the heat.
We need the 2 channel option. No, the 3 channel. Okay.
Dude's got a crazy beat.
A first in the industry. Differential signaling input-outputs can now have both common mode filtering and ESD protection in one package. All in one, violating the Unix philosophy. That's unacceptable, we cannot use that. The Unix philosophy states that things should do one thing and one thing only and do it well. So we cannot use it, that's such a shame. The music stopped. Hello, now we're going to listen to this. Spanish guitar. Okay, I was joking. We're gonna use this. In stock, 0. Shit. Do you have electronic in that music folder? You mean like electronic music? I don't think so. I couldn't find any good electronic music that was like, you know, copyright free for live streaming purposes. It's a shame that this is out of stock. Maybe I will check on LCSC. Did I leak something important? No. Nope. Check my comment, but where? Just above in Octoparts? I don't know where, sorry. So this one is Nexperia, right? No, it's on Semi. Why DigiKey at this point? Okay. You are correct. Nice, you can even get 1. Price. The price is lower. Even Amazon is better now. Like, what's happening to DigiKey? Also, I'm curious, random bird. How did DigiKey treat your order that just didn't arrive on time and caused the entire problem with your project? And did they like return the money you overpaid, or did they just ignore you? Okay, I'm gonna, because here there's only Easy EDA because they're affiliated, right? I don't wanna. So I'm gonna take the models from DigiKey, but order the thing from LCSC. I have to be logged in to download this model. Oh my god! I'm gonna bypass your bullshit. Do snap EDA footprints just normally import into freecad or not? They wanted me to log in and I did not log in. That gives me satisfaction. Zip. Extract this. Okay, we have these three. I'm gonna rename them. TVS choke array. And I just want to make sure it's the 3-channel one. It's the 4-channel one. Okay, so it's a little bit overkill. Always check the license, as sharing a project may need credit as their footprint. Yeah, okay. But it's not the one I wanted. I wanted this one. I guess they only have the 6. It's this one, yeah. Okay. No. Yes. Okay, I'm so stupid, man. This is the 2-line one, and this is the 3-line one. But they call it a 6-line common. But it's actually, yeah, it is 6 lines, okay. But it's 3 pairs, that's why my brain just malfunctioned here. Okay, let's remove. No, let's remove this. I optimized the file manipulations really well, I think. Like, it takes me a minimal amount of time to move this around. Okay, now rename these to TVS choke 3 lines 3 pair. didn't work. Oh my god, yeah, just about when I said that I'm efficient, I just do this. That's crazy. Okay. Symbol. Marble. Got him. Oh no, we're losing viewers. I cannot spend too much time in the terminal. I have to be quick. Import symbol. This one, please. Rename. TVS. Choke. Free bear. Okay. Got him. Got him. Immediately as I went back into the CAD, viewers slightly start going up. That's incredible. That is funny. This, please. Yes. Watching Jan work while I work on my CAD is very nice. MTCAD, yeah, because for context, Mr. Engineer is doing his own CAD software here, which I hope to be able to try very soon. That would be really nice. What is VN? I think that's ground, right? I'm almost 100% sure that's ground. Because that's the only thing that's left here. Yes. Now, why didn't they call it ground? That's the million-dollar question. Why do you have to confuse me on semi? Bye-bye, Victoria. Have a nice everything. I have to deliver it tomorrow, so you will have the ability to try it out very soon. Where are you delivering it? I'm routing a USB protection circuit right now. That's crazy, we're doing the same thing, bruh. Oh, programming project for like school or something. Oh, we're going to have to add extra labels. That's slightly annoying. So, okay, let's start with... Oh, I did a... I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I should have taken the 4 lines. Right? I am so confused. No. I am confusion. Am I using faster USB above 2.0? Yes, we're using USB 3 at around 5 gigabits per second, assuming I can deliver on that promise. But I am very confusion. The design is very human. No examples, huh? I avoid USB 3 and above where I can. It's the last straw before the asylum. I agree so much. I think USB 2 was enough. I already ranted about that, so I'm not gonna do that again, but yeah. USB-C choke. That is understandable. It's perfectly understandable. Apart from that connection. Let's start with the easy thing. But I think I have the wrong IC. I think I should have taken the other one, which had 8 lines. How should I differentiate between the filtered ones and the unfiltered ones? Should I append them with an F? Is that reasonable? I mean, I think that makes sense. F. F. God, I hate thinking. At least you haven't connected 24 volts to the data lines like I did with the USB power special connector. Oh, that's not good. I remember Mr. What's his name? Louis Rossmann discussing a certain device called the MacBook Pro or something, where the power lines run extremely close to the logic lines and they tend to short out a lot. And he explained that this design flaw was there in multiple generations of Apple laptops. So yeah, these things happen. The question is, do they happen on purpose? Because that's a big difference, right? I got a haircut. Yeah, my haircut story is very interesting because like I treat everything as a DIY project, right? So my hair was getting in the way, especially when I was working on the CNC, and tying it down was really annoying. Like, my welding gear just, I don't know, squished it all into my skull, and it was really unpleasant. So I decided to cut it myself to save time, of course, because I'm 10x engineer. What can I say? I save time whenever I can, right? Also, I save money because I don't pay someone to do my haircut. So I cut my own hair, and then I look like shit because I do it with like some kitchen scissors because I didn't have proper scissors. I don't have a trimmer, so I cannot do it properly. And yeah, my family looks at me like I'm just totally nuts. Like I totally lost my marbles, right? Like they sometimes think I'm slightly crazy, perhaps. They never say it out loud, but like you can see it in their eyes, you know. So yeah, now you could, when I cut my hair, they really had it in their eyes. So yeah, then it was kind of short. It was like, you can see it on the CNC video in certain moments. And then I decided to improve my haircut, cutting it even more with these same scissors, right? So the outcome was bad, in my opinion. It was like acceptable. I wore it for a couple of days, but I decided maybe it's okay to give other people money if they do a good job. So I just paid someone to cut my hair like a normal person, and I told them, can I have a Tony Stark Iron Man 1 haircut? And he looked at me like, yeah. It wasn't really possible to do that haircut because my hair was just fucked up by my inventions. And finally, I got this haircut. That's the story. I hope you enjoyed my haircut story. Might as well shave it all. Yeah, I could shave it all, but then it also just gives off crazy vibes, you know. So like, I try to not look too crazy because I think sometimes my behavior might be slightly weird towards some people. So I try to like tone it down with the weird things, you know. I try to behave normal. I don't know. Anyways, the moral of the story is it's okay to pay people to do stuff, and like you don't have to optimize every minute of your life, right? You can spend time at the hairdresser like thinking, you know, contemplating, thinking about transient voltage suppression and stuff. Not crazy, just that dragged through a burning bush backwards core look. Yeah, exactly. Should have grown it out long. Yeah, it was kind of long, but it's like super annoying to have to tie it each time. And every time I touch something with my head, the hair undoes itself. It's like, what the fuck, man? I liked it, but like at the end of the day, it slows down my projects, right? Because I transgender voltage suppression. Hello, Mr. Timek. Nice to have you in the chat. Welcome. Transgender voltage suppression. Yes. Yes, okay, I still don't know how to use this. And there is no example. That's fine. I have a question. to the USB gods. I hope they answer my question. The question is, I am using this multiplexer, and the result of the multiplexer is using both lines of super speed, both pairs at the same time. One pair, second pair, at the same time. Alright, so wait, what? No. This is confusing. You should advertise the Discord as very gal-like. Last stream I just had to join. A very gal-like? What do you mean? Why are there so many names for USB 3? There's USB 3 super speed. Yeah, there's high speed, super speed, and that's it. Why is TX positive, TX minus? Where? Oh, here. That's just wrong. Thank you. Thank you. You are the best. Thank you. They redid the USB names to simplify and added more. I think it's just marketing. So like you can say that you have USB Turbo Extra Pro Max Extreme RGB Mega Speed. I'm a marketing genius, you know. I just withhold myself sometimes. USB water-cooled edition, yeah. Look, all the smart people use USB 2. Is that USB 2? This is the weirdest symbol ever, but okay. There was a DigiKey, Texas Instruments EVM USB EVM. USB EVM. There was something like that. Nice quality. No, give me the chokes. Just reading a USB speed datasheet, that biblically accurate way of saying it is USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 super speed USB. Man, the more I work on this, the more I just hate USB, you know? The amount of pixels is very, very low here. There's no chokes. What was the TUSB? It was the... Don't we have the same? Yes. It was the polarity switcher thing. They have two of them? I am so confused. But it's a different, like, version or something. There's no chokes here. Give me the chokes. Like, when we add the chokes, we're almost ready to do the PCB, which I'm really excited for. No. What am I building now? I'm gonna say it in 10 words. I am making a test PCB for the USB circuit. TXRX. I tried to make a USB design meme, but the name is too long for it. Yes. Yes. Can we have a not simplified schematic, please? Oh, that's a cool thing. Did I do a simulation for this first somehow? Like, it's hard to do a simulation for USB, you know. I mean, I could. try to simulate signals and like spot some issues. Like I could probably spot the previous issue that we just fixed with the Zener here. But isn't it better to just check it out in real life? Especially if you have a sponsor that sends it to you for free. For free is a good price. We have a saying in Poland that free is a fair price. Very smart and intelligent. So a hit or try, you mean hit or miss? I'm not a missing type of guy, I'm more of a hit type of guy. There's literally no example. I know where I'm gonna find it. Who's the sponsor? Probably PCBWay. Who knows? I know where I'm gonna find it. It's going to be because I'm pretty sure I could just deduce it, but I want to be safe and find an example. Either a hit or try again. Yeah. Hit or try again is very accurate. Yeah, and Librem. Yeah, mainboard. So gentlemen, this is the Librem 5 smartphone schematics, and we are here to look at their USB implementation. This is not stealing. This is not stealing. This is not stealing. Here I see the chokes. This is not stealing. This is not stealing. Okay, that's they have the capacitors in front of the chokes. We have them after the chokes. I don't know what's the difference. Probably no difference. Maybe it's better to, I don't know. So they are using 2 times 2. 2 lines in each IC. That is smart, I think. But I think it's even smarter to have a single IC. Oh, but where are the D plus, D minus? They are routed separately or something? I think they also don't use sideband use. That's pretty good because we also don't use it. And I'm looking for the D plus, D minus pins. This is not stealing. Also, their phone is split into 2 boards. Here is the little board, and they are connected with an FPC cable, like normal phones tend to. It's called USB 1 for some reason. Oh, DP1, DN1. Yeah, it's not here. I hate the pink color, by the way. We see it here. This is not stealing. Oh, they randomly decided to put another one just on the other side of the board. That's classical technical documentation here. Thank you so much. PCM F1 USB 3S. PCM F2 USB 3S. So it's somehow different. I don't know. I'm curious. I'm just curious right now. What's the difference between these two filters? Let's open this. Maybe it's a mistake, like that's always possible. The amount of lines. This is 2 lines and this is 4 lines. Indeed, this is very logical. I should have just used my eyes and actually just find this out. Yeah, you're right. I should have just... Yeah, maybe I'm not that smart. Okay, so in total, they have 4, 8, 10 lines. We can have 12. What they say, 10 lines? 1, 2. Yeah, 10. I finally made the text fit on the meme about USB. It's barely readable in Discord. Lol. It is 6 lines. So what's the play here? Should we use the same configuration that they used, or it's kind of painful because I already have this imported. It's really bad, man. I think I just have to bite the bullet and just import. At least I know how to connect them. Their configuration does make sense, yes. I think it also makes sense to separate the fast signals from the slower ones. Right. So if I put in... I think I can delete this. Unfortunately. This is the one I want. Not be planning to use USB 2 after all of this when the project is done. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? So yeah, 2 of these, and I need another one that's 2 lines. It's called this. Unlucky. I think that was just unlucky. There's no symbol. It's been ages since I made a symbol. I forgot how to do that, but it's fine. I can do it. So I downloaded this. I'm gonna get this. It's not verified. I've been ignored. I'm sorry. Do you need to program configure Android for your phone? How would you do that? Right now, I'm not worrying about that because it doesn't make sense to think about it now. But there's a lot of people who think about it. I just don't have too much experience with operating systems on weird devices. So we have an entire massive discussion on Discord about that, and the main topic is to use Linux and not use Android. But at the end of the day, you can run whatever you want as long as you make it work. Unzip this. But there's no symbol. Did I remove the symbol? Do you want me to pay Snap EDA to make this footprint? I mean, we have the footprint, we don't have the symbol. Oh, it's because I pressed here, right? Okay, I don't know, let's do that again, I guess. Delete. No, don't pay them. It's not worth it. Unless maybe if it costs very little. I never did that, by the way. I'm not gonna delete that yet. Okay, I'm dumb. It's the wrong one. Oh my god, I'm making so many mistakes. Yeah, no worry, there's no footprint. It just doesn't exist. Oh my god. I'm not very smart today. Let's call this one line TVS choke. Makes sense. One line TVS choke.
Underneath the broken sky, with a tear.
Okay. So let's add the footprint.
All right, dancing through the end.
And now I need to remind myself how to make symbols.
May crumble, the cities may fall, but here in your arms, I don't mind at all.
The stars are dim.
I made space.
Your smile shines bright.
You're my beacon in this nuclear night.
So we kind of want to copy.
Let's sway in the wasteland, my love, to the rhythm of the bombs above. The ground may shake, but I won't let go. You're my shelter when the cold winds blow.
We can just do a rectangle.
Are cracked, the sky
But we can also do something fancy. But let's do a rectangle.
with you, darling, I'll find my way.
Through the ruins and the dust wind.
And let's not make any mistakes right now. I'm using the...
We'll make this place.
I mean, I'm making the symbol for...
Oh, the vault.
for the one line.
The
Yes. That's simple. Yes, of course.
But with you,
Now I'm gonna
dear,
close this. Sorry for jumping windows so much. I'm gonna take this, put it in this here.
ghouls all moan. We've got love and we're not
Do Fallout Radio as background music. Okay, but is it copyright free or is it going to
to the rhythm of
take my USD dollars of America?
shake, but I won't let go. You're my shelter when the cold.
New symbol.
So let's waltz through the ruins, you and
That's the name.
beneath the shadow.
TVS
Tree.
choke one line. Boom.
In this wasteland waltz,
Okay.
complete.
What was the rectangle shortcut? Control Shift R? Yeah, very intuitive.
When the skies turn red and
Okay, pins,
we found each other in the world's last
pin name,
ashes and the ruins. You're my star, my darling, my sweetheart.
1.
No matter how far.
Oh, baby, let's dance where the shadows glow.
D plus.
But I love you so.
In.
This wasteland of dreams will make it through.
Makes sense, right?
With a bottle of
D
Nuka
plus
and
in.
a kiss or two.
You're my atomic love in a world so wild. Through the rads and the ruins,
I thought he's going to number it automatically.
though the bombs may
Pin name D minus
in strife. You're
in.
the one true joy, my post-apocalyptic life. The jukebox is broken, but I'll sing for you.
I'm gonna play Nintendo music. I think that's a very good idea.
We'll build something new.
What do you guys think?
Hold me close, let's
I'm gonna name the pin properly.
even Even in
on semi.
wasteland with you I'm near.
Free. It would be really nice to be able to do 3.4 and just generate 2 pins like that, but no. I think you have to do that. We're almost finished.
But my heart is sane with your hand in mine. I can
These are...
fallout storms. We'll find our way.
Should ground be like passive or power? Can someone tell me?
In a world so wild, through
Gentlemen, I forgore.
you make me smile. Though the bombs may fall and the world's in strife.
I'm gonna play Nintendo music, guys. I'm gonna do it.
Apocalyptic life,
It's Mario time.
my darling, to the end of time.
Should it be
With you,
ground pins rotated incorrectly? Yes, thank you. I love you guys.
broken world, you're my
You are so nice and smart and good looking. I will be playing Nintendo music. No, I'm just kidding. Of course I'm not gonna do that. Of course not.
doo-wop-dee-doo-wop.
This is an output and this is pin number 6.
The
D
bombs went
plus.
boom, the skies turned gray, but I found my love in the light of day. With a Geiger click and a little sway, we'll swing
Good symbol.
and dance away. Oh, right away.
If you play Nintendo music, I will give myself a tattoo. I don't think this is a good deal for you.
Break of day.
What are you gonna tattoo yourself with? What's the design? I have an idea. Maybe... I don't know, man. I don't want to say it because there's a 1% chance that you're gonna actually do it and then it's gonna be my fault. So I don't want to say it. Output pins too far in.
And I'm hit again.
Oh, I'm so stupid. And mislabeled as D in. Yes.
With his laser gun and my pig boy glow, we're
Nice. Oh, and the number is wrong.
unstoppable.
I'm a dumbass. Dumbass. Anything you want, I have like random component symbols on my arm. Like tattooed or like what?
Twirl till the break of day. Through fallout dust we'll laugh.
If you have like tattoos of resistors, then that's pretty crazy. Like I'm even not that crazy. The legend has it that playing Nintendo music in a stream or playing Stairway to Heaven Nirvana in a guitar store summons a demon. But it's not Nirvana, man.
With a bop and a sway, we'll
Stairway to Heaven is Led Zeppelin.
slide away.
It's not Nirvana. Nintendo's lawyers are literally from hell. Yeah. I don't know, never met them.
Down in the heart of the common,
When we developed the Better Call Saul lawyer add-on for Spirit smartphone,
a shining gem for you.
I think then it will be the correct time to play Nintendo music,
We've got dreams and a view for you.
you know.
Grab your cap
Okay, I'm done here. Apart from the footprint.
traders shouting. Life keeps moving every day, from Greenhouse Lane to the market stalls. Diamond City has it all.
This?
when the sun goes down.
No, it's not the one.
In this old ghost town, through the cave,
Or is it?
found our way. Diamond City's here to stay.
Man, I'm gonna explode.
Diamond City, bright and true. We've got dreams and a view for you, for you.
What's the package?
And swing on by where hope still shines beneath the sky.
XDFN.
Traders shouting, kids at play.
Yeah, it's not that one.
Every day, from Greenhouse Lane to the market stalls. Diamond City has
No, it is that one.
the lights still shine when the sun goes
I
down.
have no idea right now.
In this old ghost town, through the chaos we found our
What music do I listen to?
city's here to stay. Oh, Diamond City, bright
That is a big question.
and a view for you, for you.
I would usually listen to...
Your cap and swing on by where hope still shines beneath the sky.
Well, recently I found this band called... metal band called... Castle Rat. I like them. I also like Primus. I think Primus was my most listened to artist last year. I really recommend them. Well, that's really weird music. If you like weird stuff, then sure.
Hooray, hooray, the Minutemen. We're here to save the day. When the flares go up and the people call, the Minutemen stand for one and all. Through the wasteland wide,
We have so many TVS components at this point.
waiting for a bride.
Now let's check if the 3D model fits.
Minutemen, brave and true. Minutemen, Minutemen, we'll see it through. Minutemen, Minutemen, standing tall. Minutemen,
USB test.
will save them all. Through rat storms wild and raider fights,
Uh-huh.
we'll bring back peace with all our might. With a musket strong and hard,
Seems like it's wrong.
the Minutemen story.
Chat, is that wrong? To me that seems wrong. Maybe it's like limit. And it has a weird pad here for some reason.
Wild and raider fights. We'll bring back
If you think that's a lot, imagine having to TVS every single net on the PCB to each other.
musket strong.
Bruh. Why would I do that? Ever.
Story will be told. So raise your caps and shout, hooray!
That was crazy, but okay.
Are here
Okay, so I have the wrong thing here.
One through night.
This is so painful at this point. I thought that it will take like 20 minutes. Pitch spacing is wrong. Okay, I agree.
Minutemen, Minutemen, we'll see it through. Minutemen, Minutemen, standing tall.
Is this one?
We'll save them all.
XDFN6.
Hooray, hooray, the Minutemen.
Yes, it's this one.
We'll march through the land again. Hooray, hooray,
Oh my god.
we'll fight.
There's no center pad, like they pulled that center pad out of their ass. What's the point of having this here?
Mr. Handy, he's quite a sight. With a torch in the left and a saw in the right. He'll clean your floors, make dinner too.
I really don't like when the dimensions are given indirectly, like in a table.
Fixing the world with a wearing a
And what is BSC?
Day and night, Mr. Handy makes.
Never heard of ASME.
He's seen the bombs and the world's decay.
I'm gonna explode.
Jokes to brighten your day with
Man, I don't want to do this.
little sass.
I'm gonna explode. Urgh.
Mr. Handy, beep and bop.
I have discipline, yes. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, let's start by changing the pitch. E, 40 millimeters.
Come, he'll spin and fight.
0.4, I mean.
And he's a deadly knight. When it's calm, he's just your friend, cooking Salisbury steak till the very end. Oh, Mr. Handy, beep and bop, fixing the world with a winner hop through the wasteland, day and night.
It's 0.5.
Handy makes it.
And I assume the pad is also too large. 4 is 6x. What the fuck? 6x. 6 times 0.15 is 0.9, right? Yes. So the width, that should be 0.9.
is broken,
Yeah, there's no way to measure that.
torn, but in your arms I'm reborn through shattered dreams.
Check it about 10 times, it will still be wrong. You will realize when the parcel is delivered before opening to test.
My reason
Shut the fuck up! No, just kidding, I love you. But that's what I was also thinking at some point.
finding when the world is
Yeah, it's tough, man. It's really tough.
through the ashes will find together forever come.
If I make it 0.9, it's gonna be too large.
The rads may rise, the storms may roll,
6x. No, wait a second.
but your
Oh, it's supposed to be 6xb. What? Yeah, 6xb. And this 6xl.
no vault or shell
6 times 0.4.
us apart.
That would be 2.4, right?
My treasure, my glory.
I mean, they weren't that off.
When the night falls.
And 6 times b again is 0.6 plus 0.4, 0.9.
That lets me sleep through fire and
What the fuck?
carry on. Our love
Oh fuck, you are right.
the dawn.
6x means 6 pads. I'm stupid. Yes, I'm stupid. So it should just be L and...
When the world
0, let's make it 0.2.
Find our way.
0.2, yeah. We got it, boys. L 0.5, I'm gonna make it.
here's my vow.
Watching me suffer is relatable.
No bombs or raiders will keep me from him. Oh, love beyond the fallout, you and me. Our love will last through.
Now the pitch. E. 0.4. Zero 0.2 is another dimension. What do you mean? Mom, pick me up.
crawling from the shadows, skittering fast. Those pesky little radroaches are here at last. With their twitchy legs and their buggy eyes, you'll hear their
I'm gonna explode.
radroach, stomp and swing. Radroach, do
I'm gonna fucking explode.
Radroach, scurry and hide. Radroach will turn the tide. They love your snacks, they love your stew, and
0.4. What's the grid spacing? 0.1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
a radroach or two.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4?
To catch, but
I don't believe it.
and they'll meet
Okay, it's 0.4, but they're fucking touching.
will make them run. Kicking radroaches is so much fun. Radroach, stomp and swing.
What is going on?
Radroach, do your thing. Radroach, scurry and hide.
Red Roach? Yes. Hi everyone, just got on. What did I miss? You missed
To ruin your
many things.
we'll say goodbye. Radroaches, now let's eat pie.
Now I'm really confused. Like, what am I doing wrong right now?
They love your snacks, they love your stew, and they're not afraid to crawl on you. But grab a bat or maybe a shoe, it's time to smash a radroach or two. Idle, they creep, they crawl, they're hard to catch. But one good whack and they'll meet their match. With a stomp and a swing, we'll make
Okay, it fits now.
radroaches is so much.
Everything is fine. We are winning, son. I am winning, son.
Ruin your day.
Everything's good. Except that kicad doesn't want to number these automatically for some reason.
Good riddance, radroaches, now let's eat pie.
What if I use the pad tool? Oh, it's smart enough to label them. Alright. 1, 3, 4, 6.
Hear the sound,
So I assume this is 2 and this is 5, right?
fizz and sparkle, sweet delight. New
Oh, make solder mask smaller. Yes.
dry and the rads run high. Take a Nuka-Cola, you'll feel alive. It's the blast of flavor you can't ignore.
4, 5,
One
6.
sip, you'll want some more. Oh, Nuka-Cola, it's the
4,
drink.
5, 6.
Fizz and pop, it's a taste that'll console you.
No, that's wrong.
Cola sweet as cherry.
I mean, this should be 1,
One sip and you'll be flying high.
I think. No, wait a second.
Laser blast, quantums aglow. Ice cold's the chill when the heat runs low. Pop
This weird little thingy here
Nuka-Cola,
probably goes to this side.
it's colorific. It's cola-tastic.
So this should be 1.
That magic, drink it down, feel the spark. Nuka-Cola, it's a glow.
And this should... Sorry, this should be
To the open sky, Nuka-Cola.
2, 3, 6. Whoa, kicad did that automatically for me.
With every sip, the memories stay.
I don't know what's the spacing
It's the drink that'll roll you.
like
Fizz and pop.
here.
Taste that'll console ya. Oh, Nuka-Cola, sweet as cherry pie. One sip and you'll be flying high. Cherry bottle, let's toast the night. With Nuka-Cola, everything's alright. Through the fallout, we'll lift our cheer. Sweet Nuka-Cola, forever near.
I should rename this also, because that's not the package name. The package name is XDFN 6. Rename.
Oh, Nuka-Cola, it's the drink that'll roll ya. Fizz and pop, it's a taste that'll console ya. Oh, Nuka-Cola, sweet as cherry pie. One
XDFN 6. Oh my god. I'm working on a sonar project, trying to make a high resolution sonar with 500 kilohertz. Any tips?
With Nuka-Cola, everything
Sonar.
through the fallout with our cheer. Sweet Nuka-Cola for
You should probably take a look at other people who already did that. Maybe even get a sonar and tear it down and see what's inside and try to reverse engineer a little bit. You know, maybe see some evaluation modules or like open source projects to get you inspired. I once broke up with a guy due to his opinion on DigiKey.
Step by step in the shadows go. Hear the growl, feel the fear below. One wrong move and you're done, my
I need to open the window because I'm gonna suffocate.
Will it be your end? In the wasteland, the night is dark. You hear, you freeze, no spark. Its claws are sharp. It's
I think we can change the music.
of terror that you should know. Oh, the death claw tango, don't miss a step. One wrong move, you'll pay the debt. Dance to the left.
Got a black king glitter.
Right, so
This very moment.
I have no idea what's this distance here.
Yeah,
But I can, yeah, it's
came this.
no idea how to actually get that.
Said my baby gone away. And my good love.
Maybe it's in detail A if I can ever find it. Where's detail A? Detail B, B, A, okay. So distance from the edge is L1, which is 0.15.
Folded that paper. Laid it on my bed.
Okay, I guess. Like, whatever.
Folded that paper. Laid it on my
I mean, doesn't matter, right? It's just the edge of the silk screen. That looks like shit. Do we need the silk screen? Oh, that's just massive.
Rain fall through my floor. Sun don't
I think
rain fall through my floor.
I can just eyeball the dimensions out of.
Just a ghost at my door.
Definitely should be closer together. What is this even? Like, I don't need that rectangle, right? I recommend you delete that big rectangle. Oh yeah, I also think that it can be problematic on the dense board if it takes too much space.
Yeah, Lord have mercy.
I mean, maybe.
Take this pain.
Let's delete it.
If I can't find peace,
Looking good, I think. Gentlemen.
river set me free.
Off center. Yes. That's 100% true. I've received a lot of help today. I'm very grateful for that. This is just the 3D model, so it's okay.
Has gone away. The fire burned out, darling.
Looks okay, I think.
You turned so cold on me, baby.
The pins in relation to the origin. Oh, balls. Can I? Yeah, it's typical grid situation.
The fire burned out. It's fading slow indeed.
X DFN. XDFN 6.
I'll keep on moving.
Remember to make the footprint work with a PNP file. What? Pick and place, okay, but like, isn't that like the manufacturer's problem? What do I have to do with my footprint?
It's gonna go for good. The fire burned out. Oh, it's gonna go for good.
Okay, I think we're done, right?
Open my heart
Like, I know it's off center, but like,
just like I always knew.
here we go, I guess. Can it be like that?
Now, honey, I'm
No.
from your
No. I don't have any more, like, patience for this. This is enough.
We're just memories. All I can do is
I've given this way too much time. I think it's gonna be fine. If it's not fine, I'm gonna rip it out of the PCB and just short the circuits. The footprint anchor should be in the middle to allow assembly file generation to check if it's there. Footprint anchor. What is that? What is a footprint anchor? Oh my god. Now I understand. It also means if you drag it around on the PCB, snaps from the middle.
morning comes too early. Hands already warm. Working for a better day.
A button on the right bar. What do you mean? Oh.
Men count his tally. We just count our turn. Fair don't come easy. I had to stand and fight for my.
Nice. Thank you for teaching me, guys. Increase resolution so that it snaps to in the top of the window. I don't know what you mean, but I think we got it. Got him. The shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-N, so that's very nice.
Keep me warm.
Nice. Okay, I'm done with this. This is the most something. Okay, here now. footprint.
People talk about different,
Nope.
but I just see the
EPS.
same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep.
Okay. Now, let's hope there's no problems with that in the future.
Sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you. Don't let the darkness stay.
Let's go back here. And let's place that
Sing a song for mercy.
finally.
Sing it clear and kind.
That's really risky. I think we should minimize
Ease our minds.
stuff like that, like making custom symbols and footprints, because the chance of just making a little dumb mistake is just too high. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Oh my god, this is very nice.
Well, I saddled up my
Do we have different grids between the...
out at dawn.
Why are they in mills?
I saddled up my shoes
Mom, pick me up.
out at dawn.
They are using mills.
Ain't no place gonna hold me.
Who did this to me? I never wanted... What is going on? What? Put the footprint on Discord so someone can double check by measuring. I doubt that anyone would like to do that.
Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Woo.
Just set 100 mil grid on the symbol. Yeah, but I don't want to use imperial units. Like, never.
Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin.
Oh. Here.
Just that dust road to join.
Okay, so it's actually the same. Dear God. Yeah, let's say 100 mils. Now, maybe, probably not. I'm bad, man. I'm really bad. It's just the worst.
Wind hums through my head.
Because this grid is 100. Okay.
I'm rolling through the valley. Wind hums through my head. You can tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't
I will explode.
coming back.
The grids are identical. 100 mils.
Well, I saddled up my shoe, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
Nah, this is just impossible, man. Oh, now it works. GG, I'm just so annoyed right now. Oh my god. God, I don't want to ever do footprints anymore. Never let me, never. I never want to do a footprint anymore.
Left my baby crying. Said,
Oh.
"Live that way."
Oh.
Left my
We did it.
can't live that way.
But at what cost?
To the love
My mental health has been compromised.
drifts away.
Next one. Oh. And this is wrong probably, right? Oh no.
Saw the sun.
I'm sure this will be wrong. I'm sure it's
The sun in the distance looked like
Should I pick you up on the way to the asylum?
Lord, I don't need no
TVS.
just that dust road to join.
How many channels? 2. Choke to channel. I will explode. TVS choke to channel. Yeah, let's say this goes here. This goes here. This one goes here.
Through my head.
You probably need to make a break. You seem tired. You're right. You're right. I'm streaming for how long? 2.5 hours of this. Yeah. If the footprint now is going to be the wrong footprint, I think I'm gonna take a break. Maybe actually bedtime. I think bedtime is a good option. Good option. Footprint editor. Uh-huh.
Was humming, smoke lay on the ground.
I like how there's no like search bar here.
Town was humming, smoke lay on the
TVS. 2 channel, right?
in no face I recognize.
Where did it go? Oh,
Can't be found.
uh-huh. Maybe it's actually the good one.
I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer,
Wait,
back by fall.
this is the footprint I just made. I am confused.
Now the porch is bare and broken
Oh yeah, maybe I should take a break.
from the wall.
Maybe. Maybe I should take a break. Maybe not. Oh, I need to import. Import symbol. TVS choke 2 channel.
Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street
I'd like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide.
You know what? I have no idea.
With this guitar, strings hard. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all.
Where did it go? I don't know, man. It just disappeared. It just disappeared, man. I think I'm done for now. Yeah.
Porch light flicker on the siding.
Man, I'm tired. Okay.
On the siding. Moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed. But tonight, the world's in tune.
Why can't USB be as easy as using it? Well, I don't know. I don't want any more USB in my life, man. I've had enough, you know. Oh, man, I don't know.
Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left
1842.
humming low.
1842.
Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for more.
Why did I call it a channel? What the fuck is wrong with me? I guess we could call that a channel. It's okay. Channel.
Let the porch light burn uneven. Let the shadows play. Yeah, the
This one we just made. Okay. Import. This.
if this ain't heaven,
TVS.
it'll do for today.
Pretty sure it's this one, huh? No, I just have to rename it.
Well, I saddled up my shoes.
I saddled up my shoes. TVS. 2 channel.
Shoes. Headed out at dawn.
Alrighty.
Ain't no place gonna hold
Now footprint.
when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying. Said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying.
Oh.
Can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down. It just comes and drifts away.
TVS choke. Now. Let's verify. I hope you will share all the files of the project at the end. This is open source, my friend. Like, I share everything.
Saw the sun.
I love your USB super shitty, no footprint, help me. Numbers, design, very human. Nice, thank you.
like a burning coin.
Man, this is the wrong footprint. Fuck me, man. This is one. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm really done right now. I don't know, man.
Now I'm rolling
I'm done.
the valley, wind hums through my head. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my head.
I think it's time to end the stream. It was a good one, I think, productive. I learned the Control-Shift-N shortcut. That was really cool. Yeah, so yeah, thank you very much. See you very soon. I appreciate you tuning in. Check out my Patreon. Join our Discord. Support the project. Stay strong. Be good to each other. And yeah, that's it. In next live stream, we probably will continue doing the painful, doing the thing. So yeah, I want to make the PCB really bad. I want to do it. Good night, everyone. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.
Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one.